Some things are best learned by completely immersing yourself in the topic. Venture Academy understands this, so we offer amazing intensive classes so our students can experience learning like never before. For a week or two, all day, every day, students have the opportunity to participate in and explore exciting and creative deep dive classes ranging from topics like mad science, rock climbing and hiking, historical cooking, world religion, comic book writing, and many more. Intensive classes are taught beyond simple classroom instruction as students utilize tools and resources, go out into the community, focus on larger projects, learn from experts in the respective fields, conduct complex experiments, and even travel to national parks and other similar places, all without being bound to the traditional school classes. Students can become actors, scientists, chefs, and adventurers when participating in these exciting programs and reigniting their love of learning. Students will explore topics like they've never have before. Visit Venture Academy's website today to learn more.